Listen to this Sarali Varisai. Re ga ma pa da ni sa. Did you notice the problem? Many Carnatic beginners think Sarali Varisai is the easiest lesson. But in reality, this is where many students unknowingly develop mistakes that affect their singing later. Almost every Carnatic student experiences this difficulty when learning Sarali Varisai. If these mistakes are corrected early, learning Carnatic music becomes much easier. Let's look at 3 common difficulties beginners face when practicing Sarali Varisai and how to correct them. First, listen again to the same line. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Instead of staying steady on the swara, the pitch keeps moving slightly above and below the note. In Sarali Varisai, the swara should be sung plain and steady without oscillation. Each swara must stay centered in the shruti. Let's try the same line again with a stable pitch. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. When the swara stays steady, the entire phrase becomes cleaner and easier to control. Now, let's look at the second difficulty beginners face. Another common problem is losing alignment between swaras and tala. Listen to this example. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Here, the swaras are not clearly sitting inside the tala cycle. In Sarali Varisai, every swara must align with the tala. Let's sing the same line again while keeping the swaras clearly aligned with the tala. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. When the swaras align with the tala, the structure of the exercise becomes much stronger. The third mistake many beginners make is rushing into faster speeds too early. Students often try to sing second speed before the first speed is fully clear. This creates confusion and uneven swara pronunciation. In the beginning, it is very important to practice first speed slowly and clearly. Once the swaras are steady and aligned with the tala, you can gradually increase the speed. Sarali Varisai may look like a simple exercise, but it actually trains 3 very important skills in Carnatic music. It develops shruti alignment, swara clarity and laya control. When these 3 elements come together, your foundation in Carnatic music becomes very strong. Let's now sing one Sarali pattern together, slowly with correct shruti and tala. We can do exercise 4. Sa, re, ga, ma, sa, re, ga, ma, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Sa, ni, da, pa, sa, ni, da, pa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, Practice like this regularly, focusing on steady swaras, clear tala alignment and correct speed progression. When Sarali Varisai is practiced correctly, it builds the foundation for everything that comes later in Carnatic music. Many beginners especially find it difficult to keep the swaras perfectly aligned with the tala. I have explained this in detail in my video, Stop the Slip, Synchronize Tala and Song. You can watch that next to improve your practice. Happy practicing!